Hi guys, and welcome back to my channel. So today we're doing a beach vibe, okay? Quick little hairdo. So yeah, this is the sensational, okay? Bun with bangs. Yeah. So let's go ahead and get the makeup started with Avon Magic Prime, okay? I love this stuff. It's very decent. It's cool. It's light. Yes, something that we need during the summertime because we don't want our skin to feel weighted down. So it works. It's good. Okay. So what I'm going to do is put a very little light, minimal amount of makeup on, and that's the Warm Caramel number 502 by Rimmel. I'm going to go ahead and grab this MAC brush, and I'm just going to stipple it on. Okay, like I said, we're keeping it light and airy, but giving beach vibes at the same time. The seashells in the background, it was my inspiration. Okay, I just saw those two colors and I was like, you know what? I need to put them together. I'm contouring with those two brown colors, okay? Not doing too much, just trying to keep it light but noticeable, okay? Still want to stand out. So I just love to contour my cheeks, and then I like to go down the sides of my nose just to give that little snatch, appearance, okay? And that's what I'm going for, okay? So everything is looking decent, okay? Now what I want to do is start with my brows. I always use a dark brown powder, okay? It can be an eyeshadow as long as it doesn't have any iridescent flakes or anything in it. So you can stop there with a light brow, or you can deepen it up like I like to do, okay? Because I just think that brows are what make your face pop, okay? If your brows are done, then hey. Now I'm just going to clean up, okay, with the Pro Conceal. Yes, in the color, I believe it's fawn. Yes, I'm just going to go ahead and go on up my brow, clean them up. There's a close-up look. Yes, okay. It looks natural. It doesn't look extra drawn on, okay? Almay, I got this from Big Lots for $2. And I'm going to use this gold color here. Yes, and I'm also going to use that pretty pinkish purple color, okay? 120 palette, BH Cosmetics. And this is going to be my transitional color, okay? It's a pretty purplish pinky color, okay? As you can see how it lays on my eye, okay? Now I'm just going to fade that out, I'm going to have it concentrated, and then I'm going to start to fade it out. And I'm going to put a little bit more because I think that the color needs to just pow, it needs to pop. So that's what I'm doing there. Okay. And I'm using the Adrian Venedini brush. Okay, it's a crease brush. So what I'm going to do is just go right above the transitional color and sweep it back and forth to give an airbrush effect. Okay, that's all I'm doing. So yes, blend, 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 blend. Okay, so you don't see any harsh lines. That's what I'm doing. Okay, so I'm blending and blending till I get the color. Now I'm going to take that camel tan color, same color sort of as the seashell that's in back of me, okay? And that's what I'm doing, just patting it on my eyelid, okay? I think those two colors are very pretty together, okay? So that's what I'm doing, and I'm going to marry the two colors together, okay? And I did that on the other side of the eye as well. Now on the inner of my eye, I'm going to take this pretty mauve pink color, okay, right there. And I'm going to also put another color, which was the gold, okay, that I highlighted with. See there, okay. Now I'm going to work on the other eye. Go ahead and airbrush it out, fade it out. Yes. Now you see. Then I'm going to do the same thing on the other eye. Lay that brown camel shell color on my lid. And I'm just patting it, which I'm doing. I'm patting it, and I'm also going to marry the two together and go ahead and airbrush it out as well. So that's what I'm doing there. And I think that it's standing out pretty. It's looking pretty good, okay? So I just love to put gold on the outer inner corner of my eye, okay? I just think because I have big eyes, it just makes it look better. So that's the Maybelline, okay, blush, I'm just going to put a little bit of that on, and then I'm going to highlight, like I said, with that gold, okay, eyeshadow. Yes, you wet them, they pop even more, okay? So the payoff color is good. You've seen me do this before if you watched any of my makeup videos, okay? I always like to deepen my molds. I'm going to go in with this black Radiance Press Powder, okay, in 8621 Honey Glow. Just going under my eyes. Like I said, this is a light makeup, okay? It's airy, and yeah, that's how we want it for the summer. Go ahead, and I'm going to throw on these Beauty Supply Store lashes, which I double stacked. Yes, I'm going to go right there on the lower lid, right there where my eye is. Don't put it on your eyelashes, okay, because you will pull out your eyelashes, okay? And so yeah, I think that the look is looking decent. Now what else can I do is what I'm saying to myself while I'm getting my other eyelash on. This is a closer look. You can see how I put my eyelash on because you don't want to snatch out and you don't want to pull your hairs out, okay? You just want to give a nice little flirty look to your eye. So I think I've done so, and there's a closer look. What's a makeup look if nobody pulls you in close, okay? I feel like you're being cheated. Okay, now look, bulletproof brows. What? I have been sleeping on this stuff. This has been in my staple, okay? I got it from the Dollar Tree, and it's been with me all this time. So I don't know why I didn't use it, but this stuff works magic. I love it. Okay, so that's what I'm doing. I'm just going to go ahead and bulletproof my brows with this Ardell Brow Formula. Oh my goodness, I hope I can find some more of it. Now I'm just going to go ahead and take the Fawn and the Pro Concealer and clean up under my brows just to give a little bit more, pop, a little more snatch. Yes, and then I'm going to use this Beauty Supply Store Clean Color in the number 30 Fandango. Okay, I'm just going to go and trace my lips with this. Okay, you can use a pencil if you like, and then this is just a bubblegum pink by Nabby. I don't even know, Nabby. I don't know. I got it from the Beauty Supply Store. I don't even know if they have it on market anymore, but I'm going to put that there and marry the two together because I just love how that look on my lips. Okay, so that's my whole little makeup look. And yeah, I'm going to go ahead and use the Avon setting spray. And that's my look. Okay, I hope you guys like my beach vibes, my seashell vibes I was giving. So I'm going to end it here. I hope wherever you are in the land, I hope that you're feeling fancy and free and what you're doing the things that you love to do.